Prepare to be amazed. Did you know that some of your favorite Chinese takeout dishes are secretly vegan and absolutely mouth-watering? It's true. Chinese cuisine offers a delightful array of plant-based options that satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. Chinese takeout is a beloved comfort food for many, whether it's a late-night treat or a family feast. The bold flavors, generous portions, and the fact that leftovers taste just as amazing the next day make it a go-to choice. But here's the twist. Many of the dishes we've been enjoying for years are already vegan-friendly, and with a simple tweak, they can be made even more so. No need for fake meats or exotic ingredients. These classics are right at your fingertips. Let's dive into 7 Chinese takeout meals that are secretly vegan and, trust me, highly addictive. 1. Vegetable chow mein. This dish is a reliable vegan staple. Imagine perfectly stir-fried noodles tossed with crunchy bean sprouts, cabbage, carrots, and scallions. The key is ensuring the noodles are egg-free, and most American Chinese restaurants use these. Ordering it without oyster sauce transforms it into a fully plant-based delight, salty and savory. 2. Mapo tofu without pork. Experience the fiery, numbing, and silky sensations of authentic Sichuan-style mapo tofu. Traditionally made with ground pork, this dish doesn't need it to shine. Most restaurants will happily accommodate by leaving out the pork, leaving behind a spicy, plant-based masterpiece that pairs perfectly with rice. 3. Steamed vegetable dumplings. Dumplings are a universal favorite, and the good news is that vegetable dumplings, typically filled with cabbage, mushrooms, carrots, and chives, are almost always vegan. Just be cautious of dipping sauces containing fish sauce and opt for a simple soy vinegar mix instead. 4. Buddha's Delight, Luo Han Zai. With roots in Buddhist vegetarian cooking, Buddha's Delight is a medley of vegetables, tofu, mushrooms, and sometimes vermicelli noodles, all cooked in a light soy-based sauce. It's inherently meat-free, and some restaurants may even add bamboo shoots, lotus root, or snow peas for an extra textural delight. Eating a dish with such cultural significance adds a deeper satisfaction, as you're not just enjoying a meal, but embracing a tradition of mindful cooking. 5. Eggplant in garlic sauce. Don't be fooled by the name. This dish is as rich and satisfying as any meat-based option. Stir-fried eggplant coated in a sweet, savory garlic sauce is a true delight. Ensure you ask if the sauce contains oyster sauce, as most places can easily swap it for soy sauce. 6. Sesame tofu, similar to the popular sesame chicken. Sesame tofu is its vegan-friendly counterpart. Crispy tofu cubes tossed in a sticky, sesame-infused glaze offer a sweet, savory, and tangy experience. Some restaurants already offer this as an option, while others will gladly swap tofu for you. It's an excellent introduction to tofu for beginners, as it absorbs the sauce like a sponge. 7. Scallion pancakes. Technically a snack, but let's face it, a plate of scallion pancakes can easily become a satisfying meal, made with flour, water, oil, and scallions. They offer a crispy, chewy, and salty experience all at once. Totally vegan by nature, dipping them in soy sauce or chili oil will have you understanding why these pancakes are so beloved. The beauty of these dishes is that you don't have to compromise on taste or reinvent the wheel. With a few simple swaps and inquiries about sauces, you can enjoy a plant-based feast that satisfies all your cravings. Next time you're ordering Chinese takeout, give one of these 7 dishes a try. You might just discover your new favorite go-to order. And here's a thought-provoking question for you. What's your plant-powered archetype? Your everyday habits reveal a deeper purpose and impact on the planet. Take this 90-second quiz to uncover your role and the small change that can make a big difference. It's fun, instant, and surprisingly accurate.